Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be working on this 1991 Mercedes-Benz W124 and we're going to be focusing on an issue that we have towards the rear end. So the problem that we have is that the subframe has actually disconnected from the car on one of the corners. We don't know if it's a bushing or if the car is rotten where the subframe mounts. So we need to jack the car up and see what's going on from the bottom side. But first we're going to show you how the wheel is hopping and how the subframe is flopping around. Okay guys, so as you saw yesterday, we successfully removed the subframe bushing without removing the subframe, which is a big deal. Today we went to the store and got us a new one. As you can see, this is the new one and the old one side by side. So now we're gonna press it in. Okay guys, so now after we clean the subframe where the bushing sits in, we're gonna press it in. So we're gonna use a piece of plywood like this one to push the subframe down so we can have enough room to push it in place. So as you saw guys, after we set it in the bushing in place, we're gonna use a float jack to press it in. We also got ourselves a new bolt, because why not? Now we're gonna install the bolt and it will push the rest of the slack in. Okay guys, so as you can see, we completely finished the job. We installed a new bushing and we torqued it down and the wheel is not moving anymore. So now we're gonna install the wheel back on, lower the car on the ground and show you how it's doing. So now that we got the car outside, we're gonna fire it up and show you that the wheel is not hopping anymore. So just like that folks, we showed you how to replace the bushing on your subframe easily without removing it out and without any special tools. So now we have reached the end of today's video. Hopefully you found it helpful as well as entertaining. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one. Peace.